In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva AI translation tool to translate your design into any language. One of the importance of this, or the benefit of this, is that you can translate your design to other language and you can target those people. If you want to target an audience that do not speak English, maybe they speak Spanish or French or Chinese or any other language, you can use this AI tool to translate your design or your text, whatever you have typed, your document, into that language. This AI tool does it automatically. It translates whatever you have designed, any text, into a different language of your choice. So with this, you save time and money when it comes to using other translation tools to translate your work. And also, instead of paying people to do that for you, you can do it yourself. And as a freelancer who is a translator, you can use this tool to translate your work for your clients. So let's get into how to do it properly. So when you open your Canva, this is my Canva. I'm going to select any of my designs. So this is my design. I have this. So I'm going to translate this into French or any other language using my mobile phone. So if you want to make use of this, open your Canva app, open the design or design whatever you want to translate. Then you tap on this icon beside display icon. Then you will see translate. It is important for you to understand that due to our different phone setup, these icons will not be at the same place. Just understand the icon and look for it wherever it is in your phone. You now click on translate. So you'll be asked which language you want to translate to. So in this case, let me just use French. Yes. Now you'll be asked, do you want to translate all the pages? I just want to translate one page, just the current page. Okay. It says translate existing design without creating a copy. Now when you click on this, it means that this particular design will be translated. But when you don't click on it, it's going to translate and create a copy. It will create the original copy and the one that you translated. So I'm not going to tap on it. If you tap on it, it means that it's not going to create a copy. So I will just click on translate. Can you see? You now click open. Wow, all the text has been translated to French. So I can use this to run an ad as a digital marketer. Maybe I'm targeting a French audience. I can use it to run an ad telling them that I'm going to teach them how to run Facebook ad without having a website and using their mobile phone. Can you see I have translated my previous design into French? Supposing I'm a graphic designer, I can take up design work for French citizens. All I will do is do it on Canva and use Canva to translate. I can also translate documents for people using Canva translator. So you can see that this is a beautiful tool. You can use this to translate your work, your design, your document to any other language of your choice. Even if you are doing a presentation, PowerPoint presentation, slide presentation, whatever you want to do, PDF, you can use this to translate your work automatically without going to a different website and doing copy and paste. So this is how the translation tool works. So let's translate this quickly back to English and let's see what happens. I'll tap on this icon again. Click on translate. I will select English. Then I will click translate existing design. I don't want to create a copy. I'll click on translate. Can you see it has gone back to English? Let's translate to Chinese. I will tap on it. Click on translate. Select. Let me look for Chinese. Chinese simplified. Let's use Chinese simplified. Click on translate. Beautiful. So this is how the translation tool works. I hope you understand it and you make use of it for yourself, your business, or your clients.